speak about the case on the Bharatiya case, reference to the what is now popularly known as fundamental rights case. So I told them two things. One, how long am I required to address? They said an hour. The second aspect I said is we are not arguing many constitutional cases. And at the High Court level, very rarely we get the chance to argue constitution, challenge constitutional provisions. And then very rarely High Court interferes in these matters. So said, how are the people whom I am required to address going to receive it? Of course, on the first part I said, as advocates, we are not accustomed to or used to listen for a long time. So I am not going to take an argument. And addressing arguments is easier than addressing a gathering. Also, when 100 people are around, so I would not take much of your time. I am conscious that this is the beginning of the back end of the meditation. So all of us are looking at Lakshmi during this time. So I would not like to detailing from all. I won't take an hour. Maybe happen maximum 20 to 25 minutes. And the second part, he said, no, you will have to do this plus you have to take one of the Samlasta levels that we are now supposed to follow. The occasion demands that it should be on this. And honestly, most of us have heard about this case, but we are not really ready to analyze. We know that it is something touching upon the basic structure of the Constitution. Otherwise, we use terminology called a fundamental rights case, though that is not a correct right wording. But as I was just preparing, I realized that how apt it is that the organizers have chosen this subject. Just as the Constitution, the labels of the Constitution had a vision, the organizers also had a vision, maybe not that extent, but quite good. Almost they are nearer to it. Because what I understand the Samasta level says, what is what we call as we are living in harmony, progress in harmony. And this is what exactly Keshav Bharati is doing. It's a harmony between the legislature, the judiciary, and the executive. The best example of as to how all three units will have to work harmoniously towards a particular goal. That is preserving the fundamental rights, more particularly the basic structure of the Constitution. It is the duty of all of us, not one being. So unless all three wings work in harmony, we won't be able to preserve it. This is what exactly the case gives us the message. The underlying message is that